It's new, it's fun, it's exhilarating.
My hat.
It's a great option for a developer looking for something special and innovative to entice customers. It's cable hang gliding. The flight simulation provides the customer with the opportunity to experience hang gliding in complete safety through its approved construction standards. Cable hang gliding is unique. There is no cost-comparable method to enjoy a free flight simulation for an unskilled participant or trained adventurer. Cable hang gliding can be enjoyed by anyone. People from 7 to 107 can experience this stimulating flight whilst attached to a safety cable. Developed in Australia, the cable hang glider can be used as a standalone facility or incorporated into theme and cultural parks. The Australia operation has developed over 10 years and has supplied the flight system to clients in Australia, Japan, Malaysia and China. To indicate the versatility of the cable hang gliding system, we find that in China it's part of a large cultural theme park, and in Japan the flight carries pilots over a serene mountain lake. Highly visible, the cable hang gliding adds a new dimension to ride experience and is highly photographic, providing enthusiast client appeal. Safety is the #1 priority of cable hang gliding. The equipment is constructed under internationally accepted standards, CAN CSA Z9895 passenger ropeways, a national standard of Canada, and rates a 5 times safety factor to ensure your client's protection. Strict quality control is practiced on all componentry, and scheduled safety precautions provide easy operation and maintenance of equipment. Flight simulation is controlled at all times by an operator or computer depending on the mode of operation. Start throughout the flight until completion of the simulation at the landing zone. There are different methods of operation for the developer to consider. Some operations will prefer to harness the pilots at the takeoff point. This ensures a complete simulation of takeoff and landing conditions. Or the developer may prefer to harness the pilot at the landing zone and retrieve them to the takeoff point before release and flight simulation. Harnesses have been developed exclusively for cable hang gliding and provide a comfortable and firm connection between the pilot and the hang glider. Before construction of the system, a detailed site survey needs to be performed for confirmation that the site has suitable requirements for the cable hang gliding system to perform effectively. These details include horizontal and vertical site measurements along the proposed cable extension, thus providing the information necessary to calculate mast heights and flight path recommendations. On confirmation of the site suitability, an engineering report is provided, which includes concrete footing calculations. Site requirements include 4 footings as restraining points for the masts, 2 footings for mast erections, a pad for the hauling braking equipment, a takeoff platform and a landing zone. The length of the flight path can range from 150 to 400 metres, depending on site location. Flights can be experienced by both single and tandem pilots, with restriction of weight limits. For example, a 250-metre flight will provide a maximum loading of 170 kilograms. Cable hang gliding is proving to be a drawcard for many developments. It has the potential to attract the leisure time and holidaymaker markets, appealing to the general public, tourists, school and corporate groups. Consider cable hang gliding as an asset for your development. It's fun, safe and exhilarating.
Let's do it again.